The third and last in line for inspection is the father of relativity, Albert Einstein, who lived also in the Age of Enlightenment, but within our current modern era. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, in the Kingdom of Württemberg, German Empire. Moving to Munich when he was a baby, he spent his formative years there, showing an early interest in mathematics and science, teaching himself advanced mathematics and physics from textbooks. After completing his secondary education, Einstein enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in 1896 to pursue a degree in physics and mathematics. Despite facing challenges due to his unorthodox approach to learning and clashes with authority figures, Einstein excelled academically and graduated with a teaching diploma in 1900. After graduation, Einstein struggled to find academic employment and took on various teaching and patent office jobs. In 1905, which later became known as his Annus Mirabilis, Miracle Year, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers that would transform physics. The first, titled On the Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies, Einstein introduced the special theory of relativity, which fundamentally altered our understanding of space and time. The theory posited that the laws of physics are the same for all observers in uniform motion and that the speed of light is constant in a vacuum. The second, titled Mass-Energy Equivalence, Einstein derived the famous equation E equals mc squared, which expresses the equivalence of mass and energy. This revolutionary insight laid the groundwork for the development of nuclear energy and profoundly influenced modern physics. The third, titled Brownian motion, Einstein provided a theoretical explanation for the erratic motion of particles suspended in a fluid, supporting the atomic theory of matter and providing experimental evidence for the existence of atoms. And the fourth, titled Photoelectric Effect. Einstein proposed that light consists of discrete packets of energy called photons rather than continuous waves. This work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Einstein's connection to the occult is not as apparent as the prior examples, yet his comments on a higher power indicate his thoughts regarding the divine. Therefore, as will be clearly explained within this video, if you do not belong to the light that is Christ, then the light within you is darkness. In regards to his work, Einstein's contributions to quantum mechanics, particularly his critiques of certain aspects of the theory, have been interpreted by some as aligning with mystical or spiritual perspectives. For example, Einstein famously stated that God does not play dice with the universe, in reference to the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics, suggesting a preference for deterministic explanations. Some have interpreted this statement as implying a belief in a higher cosmic order or intelligence, akin to mystical notions of a unified cosmic consciousness. And in regards to his personal beliefs, Einstein's philosophical outlook has also been subject to interpretation in relation to occult ideas. He expressed admiration for the work of Baruch Spinoza, a philosopher whose pantheistic views emphasize the identification of the divine with the natural world. Einstein himself described his religious beliefs as a sense of cosmic religious feeling and a reverence for the beauty and mystery of the universe, which some have interpreted as resonating with mystical or spiritual themes. Although Einstein's occult connections are lacking, it may be that we will have to wait until unearthed documents similar to those of Isaac Newton are revealed to the public before people are completely convinced of his inspirations. However, as it is written, "You shall know a tree by its fruit," and the fruit that Einstein produced would lead to total destruction. But, before moving to the Manhattan Project, I ask you this. What driving force has been guiding man's hand with the rapid increase of knowledge that sparked the Industrial Revolution, affecting fields such as mathematics and science, in which Einstein would excel? Who gave the sparks that lit the fuse of enlightenment? Who or what is responsible?